the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making banana pancakes. The ingredients that you're going to need today are 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3 bananas, 2 that are going to go into the pancake mixture, and also 1 for the topping, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 egg, 3/4 cup of buttermilk, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Alright guys, I have all my ingredients measured. Next we're going to go ahead, you're going to get a whisk and you're going to get yourself a bowl. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients, the flour, the baking powder, and your salt. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and just whisk that around, mix it up real good. Don't add your brown sugar yet. Once you get that mix good, we're going to set it aside. Okay guys, next you want to melt your 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Then get you a bowl and put 2 bananas in there. All you want to do is just break them. Now I'm using this tool. This is for the avocados, but you can use anything. You just want to go ahead and start mashing your bananas. Gonna get them mashed up real good. Okay guys, this is what your bananas should look like. This is the consistency of them. So once you're done with that, I'm going to go ahead, add your brown sugar, your melted butter, your egg, your vanilla extract, and your buttermilk. And just take your whisk and mix it thoroughly. Okay guys, this is your banana mixture. It smells really good, by the way. And this is just the consistency you want it. So now what you want to do, bring back your dry ingredients and we're just going to pour in the banana mixture. And now go ahead and mix that up real good. Okay guys, this is what it should look like, the consistency. Next, put some butter in your pan, heat your pan up, and then we're going to start putting our pancakes in. Okay guys, as you can see, I have my butter heating up. And I'm about to start putting our pancakes in now. Okay, I have the batter in the pan. And I'm just waiting so I can flip it. And then all you do guys is just repeat the process. Look at that guys, it's beautiful and golden. And they smell delicious. Okay guys, once your pancakes are done, you want to go ahead and plate them. Put a slice of butter on top. Use your last banana and cut you some slices. Then you want to go ahead and get some powdered sugar. Put it in your sifter and just shake it over top. Just like that. I'm telling you guys, these are delicious pancakes. You and your family will enjoy them. Now, take your syrup and just pour over top. Just like that. Beautiful. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe and like, and come back to my channel. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys next time. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef.